To change call vibration for a specific contact on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Contacts app, tap the desired contact you'd like to change its call vibration, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the bottom right, select change ringtone or vibration, tap call vibration, and then select the desired vibration pattern you like to use. Tap the back key to save the change. By doing this, when the selected contact calls you, your phone will vibrate with the selected vibration pattern. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.